How to open a Wells Fargo saving account online. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can open up a savings account online for Wells Fargo Bank, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to create a savings account for Wells Fargo Bank, all you have to do is simply go here. First of all, open up your browser, not the app, your browser, and go to wellsfargo.com. Once you're on the website, you're going to see this type of interface where you'll find this option known as saving and CDs. So you want to make sure to just tap on the savings option. As you tap the savings option over here, you'll be able to see all of the savings account that are currently available to open up on Wells Fargo. So just select the savings account that you specifically like to choose over here. So let us wait a couple of seconds until this page has been loaded up. Once you select the type of savings account you want to create, you'll be able to ask a form where you have to fill in your personal name, your ID, your social security number, your date of birth, and so on. After you've done all this process, you have to verify with the original documents such as your citizenship, your national ID card, or your tax identification number. After you verify, your bank account was successfully created, or more importantly, your savings account on Wells Fargo. Just in case you want to basically create a checkings account, you can also do so from the Wells Fargo website. And this way you can open a savings account online on Wells Fargo. Hope this video was very helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.